what it is a court process like any other court proceedings. It is a requirement in our constitution as Jubilee, but it is also a requirement from the constitution of the country, in the sense that this is a process that we have to go through, and if we don't go through it in the right way, then whatever action is taken can be found to be wanting and short of what is required by the political dispute tribunal, or it can be challenged at the level of the High Court. So we have to follow the rules as required by our own constitution, but also as required by the Registrar of Political Parties and the constitution of the country, that requires that we go through a proper process of giving everyone who has been accused the chance to defend themselves, to make their pleadings and to be defended, and to be able to pronounce themselves on any mitigating factors.